Now let's see what an ellipse is and its elements. So an ellipse has 5 elements. It has 2 foci, a center, a major axis, and a minor axis, right? So what does this mean? Well, this is what an ellipse looks like. Now, why does it have 2 foci instead of one focus as in a parabola? Well, I found out a very interesting reason for why it has 2 foci. Look at this shape. It's almost like you've joined 2 parabolas together, right? One is this parabola, right? And the other is this parabola. Now, these are 2 identical parabolas, just inverted from one another, and they're joined together to form this weird oval shape called an ellipse. Now, this focus F1 is the focus of the left parabola. Well, I wouldn't call it a parabola, it's like an inverted parabola, right? And this F2 is the focus of this second parabola, right? Second inverted parabola. So this is why it has 2 foci. Now, it has a center, obviously, because, well, it's an oval shape and it will have a center like a circle. And it will have a major axis, which is, as you can see in an oval, it has one side that is longer and one side that is shorter. The axis that divides this ellipse into 2 equal long halves, like this half and this half, this axis, right? This is called the major axis, and the axis that divides it, well, let me just change color to explain it better. Wait just a second. Okay, the axis that divides it into this half and this half, this axis is called the minor axis. And yeah, that's really all you need to know about ellipse. And just remember, 2 foci corresponding to 2 parabolas, if you will, right, that are joined together, a center as it's an oval shape, a major axis, the axis that runs along the longer side of the parabola, and a minor axis that runs along the shorter side of the sorry, not the parabola, the ellipse. The major axis along the longer side of the ellipse, and the shorter side along the that runs along the shorter side of the ellipse. Now, an ellipse can be like this as well, right? In which case the major axis would be this axis and the minor axis would be this axis, right? So I hope that clears things up.